Tanks up front, right here. On point.
Okay, mag-morph pa. Okay,
Tanks up
mag-morph.
front, tanks up front.
Hard.
Alright, Devos.
Go, go,
Guys,
go, go, go.
what was your
Guardian,
party?
guardian,
What was
guardian.
your party?
Remedy.
Devos, walk forward. Left side. Tanks. Pull people in. These healers right here. Walk in, guys. Walk in. Start walking in.
Start making your way into the objective.
Into the objective, guys.
And to the left, and hug the left, into the
Hug the left side.
No,
Hug the
revolution.
left side.
green, into the actual green. Just push through. It's gonna keep on trying to push us out. Just take
Kaya na
over
to,
this whole space.
Shit,
Okay,
nakaka-
Okay, wipe na, wipe them.
Guys, these healers. Take them out.
Tangina mo, nakita din kita, hayop ka.
Bonbon, he's a
Kasama.
healer. You guys have Lotto, he's another healer.
Ito, hook sa akin.
Sins is another healer.
Sa akin sila palpa. Tayo na, tangina mo. Your old nightmare,
Guys,
friend.
my range. Play on this corner. Play in the corner.
Ito sa revolution
Range
ka.
healers. Play in the corner. Range. Play in the corner. Good job rotating.
Ito sa revolution.
Tank to that ledge and pull them. Lucian, pull and push them off that ledge to our left.
Sige, dyan sa
We're
front namin.
avoiding. We will advantage now. 'cause
Hila
we
ko,
own this
titula
spot.
ko ah.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Pull now off that ledge. There you go, Lucian. Don't fling them off.
Sila ka alpha
There
nasa
we
akin
go.
na.
Yes. Lucian
Talo.
Carlos.
Tara dito.
Pasok
Kailangan
na, Rick,
namin
Rick.
ng-
Los tanques, empujen.
Tanques, empújenlos fuera de ahí.
Sila
Diba?
nasa
Ang
taas.
putang ina, pinapausok ko.
Collision on top, baby.
Tangina mo ah.
Good shit, guys.
May dito ka sa harap namin.
We got more
Yeah,
bodies,
yeah, yeah, lumaro.
more bodies. They're pushing it. Grab these range. This range free casting right here.
Ang lalag ako.
These range that are free casting. They got more bodies in now.
Dito ka
Go,
lagi.
go, go. Pwede na kayo magwala.
They're pulling
Wala
up.
May
akong
dami sa
mana,
kayo,
wait lang.
Sige, diyan ka lang. Pag na-FF ka
Still
dyan.
play to the right, guys.
KO yan.
Nahuli kayo ha? Okay, go, go, go.
Kung lang sa harap na yun, lumaro.
Again, you?
Remedy in 10
Guys,
seconds
don't
ha.
clump up too much inside the zone.
Yes, do not clump up too much.
They're gonna try to clump you anyway. Don't make it easy for them.
Dito na ako, tol. Pahila ko.
All right, guys. If you die
May paddle ka, may
into
paddle.
the zone,
Let's go ahead and try it. Guys, you are walking
Ang
through
sabi
that
sila.
end spot right now.
Nandito.
Do not walk through that edge right there.
Yellow
Go
sila, yellow
into the
sila.
objective, guys.
Dito sa akin, dito, backlane.
Close to the wall. Close to the
Purple
wall.
arrow, go to purple arrow.
a heart.
3-7. Andiyan, 3-7.
Parties here,
Shit,
parties
wala
here.
akong mana. Wait lang.
Tinutulak ako ha. Ang lala ng pagkatulak sa akin.
Yoon, I'm trying to get you here. All right, you
Guys, walk in.
Go, go, go.
back to that corner, guys. Back into the corner and don't stay.
I need
Ay,
my
pitan ba
kill
dito?
squad.
Yeah.
Yo, I
Dito
need
lang,
my
dito
kill
lang sa
squad.
malakas sa static mo,
Not
lumaro.
on the ledge. My Hispanics
Dito
are
kami sa
matando,
likod.
guys, matando a esta gente que está entrando por el choke. Está entrando por el choke. Ellos son free kill entrando. I want to kill those guys. Esos son los que I want you guys to focus on.
Cordial.
I need
Pwede kayo
bodies
maglaro sa
inside
taas.
the objective, guys. I need you in
Dito
the
tayo sa loob
objective.
ng ano.
This game is won inside the objective, not outside.
Viper, ven aquí.
Wiping
Viper,
sila,
corazón.
wiping sila.
Vete invisible, ven aquí.
JP.
In the objective.
2 seconds,
in the
Cordy.
objective.
Nice pull me, nice pull, nice pull.
Revolutions
You're fighting
na.
Sige,
inside.
sige, sige. Pinula kami ng steel heart.
You're fighting inside.
Oo, yun nga ginagawa niya na lalabas.
Dito kayo sa may sa akin, no, para di kayo maano sa edge. Purple arrow, go to purple arrow.
Yes, good job, guys.
40 in 2 seconds. 40 up.
Ito, alpha.
Sige. Lock mo yan.
Ito, napul ko na.
Nataas sila ng kagaling ha. Yung number
There's
7
another healer.
Buen trabajo, guys. Let's get these kills right
Pipito.
here. Keep the bodies in here. Guys.
Yung zero kayo
Guys,
natutulak ha.
I need you to kill these guys coming in right now. Kill these guys
Ayun
coming in
na,
right
napul
now.
kami,
Do
ah.
not let them take space. Do
Ayaw.
not let them take space.
One.
Balik lang.
Do not let them take space. Do not let them take
Medyo
any
scatter
space.
kayo, medyo
Do not
scatter kayo.
let them take
Parang
any
dito.
space.
Active, guys.
Guys, objective. We need people in the objective.
40
right
up.
here. Look,
Hang on in there, Yoon.
guys, you should be marking your healers. Good job, guys.
Remedy
Good
and cooldown,
job.
pa-remedy,
Guys,
pa-remedy.
Take spots in the
Pa-remedy,
in the
pa-remedy.
objective. Take space in the objective.
Dito tayo sa choke point.
Let's avoid them coming in.
Dito sa akin, tol, nandito na ako sa choke point.
Trying
Punta ka
to
dito.
walk in. Let's clean them up here. Let's clean.
Nag-drop ako paddle.
Más hacia atrás, cabra.
Takbo sa choke,
Good job, guys. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Dito sa choke point. Atin na yung choke point. Let's hold the choke. On stairs. On me. Dito kayo. Nasa loob
Okay.
kayo.
Yup.
Sige. Ito na.
We went aquí las escaleras.
Di na makakabalik kayo. Ano, DPS niyan. Mamamatay na yung tank niyan
These
sa loob.
bottom steps, yeah?
Uy, payat.
Let's see tol.
Viper.
Sige.
Oh, okay.
Nice. O, di na makabalik AO niya, no? Puro tank na nasa loob.
Cordy up.
Off.
Hold stairs, hold choke.
People off. If we gotta do a train, shoot a train, we'll do it. I'm gonna go ahead and
May paddle kayo
step in this corner
dyan. May
right
mana yan
here.
ha. May mana yung paddle ko.
Boys,
Ignore the paladin.
Here's a bubble for us. We
Ito,
There you
si
go,
Mir,
look,
si Mir, si
right
Mir, si
there.
Mir. Nasa
kill his
stack
oracles.
natin.
Guys on Lutzer.
Ah,
To the
drop,
Nice,
drop,
oracle.
nice,
drop.
JP. Nice, Osay.
On Lado.
JP,
That's
kill JP, kill
Guys, guys,
JP.
walk in. I need more bodies in the objective.
Ayan, namamatay na yung mga tank nila, oh. Di na makabalik yung ano eh. Healer sa
Make
DPS
Kaya
eh.
doon si JP, doon sila JP sa loob. Tsaka si
Over the limit they
Pagpag.
have. We want to have more people in. More people.
Cordy up,
Yes,
Cordy up,
yes,
Cordy
yes,
up, Cordy up.
yes. We want to kill them
Ah.
walking in.
Pinapo si ano.
Silent.
There's a pull
Kaya
on the heart.
pinapo ko
Guys, if they have no health,
Eh,
guys, team
Nice,
shoot
nice,
these
nice.
guys. Go ahead.
Ah, may
Urgent choke,
padala.
urgent choke.
May padala. 2 seconds.
Look
Kaya
right here.
Cordy up, Cordy up, Cordy up.
Let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. Let's
Come
team.
in on the left side of the objective. Left side of the objective. Right here on me.
Punta sa akin, help natin sila dante.
These groups are coming in.
Hindi, nandito na sila lahat sa ano.
Guys, we need to
sa
kill these
stone.
guys.
Ako, hold ako pre, hold ako. Nag-inbi muna ako, wait
Coming
lang.
back to steps.
Pahil nga ako.
Okay,
Grabe
okay,
effort sa akin,
In
no.
the objective, guys. We
ayun
need
na.
more people in the objective.
Give me pull ka
Back
dyan.
to the objective.
Push up, push up.
Guys in the bottom of the steps, we shouldn't be fighting.
Pabalik
down
ako
there. Guys,
Pabalik
we
ako,
need
Tol.
you
Sige.
fighting in front of the objective, not down
Ay,
there.
pucha, wala akong
Everybody in
stamina.
Sabah should be over here.
Ay, ito,
Everybody,
nahil
mi
kita.
hermano también.
Nahil kita,
Lo
nahil kita.
necesito
Gawin
flanqueando
ako,
esta área de acá.
Cordy up, Cordy up, Cordy up.
Yeah.
May paddle, may paddle.
Evolutions, evolutions.
I'm talking here for now.
Ay, puta ina.
Okay.
May mga DPS sa
Grabe.
loob, May mga DPS sa loob,
Do not, guys.
Sila meron
Grabe
sa loob,
naman to.
People in the objective.
Gagi, ang dami na nila sa loob.
Wait, juega aquí dentro del objetivo, pero aquí.
Guys, we
Bawasan
are
tayo,
getting wiped in the objective. I need all of Savage here.
Hold kasi yung choke, yung binigay po eh.
All of Savage. Everybody in Savage should be walking in right
Pabalik
now
ako, Tol.
in the objective.
Sige.
No questions asked.
Come on, guys.
Lob. Wait natin itong mga
I got
DPS nila.
blown up.
Back in, guys. We gotta take back this objective. They're
Ayun,
about to
nahanap
recap
ko lang
off
sa
this
likod,
too,
oh.
man.
Oh, they're about to cap it right now.
Pwesta tayo dito sa likod, RG tayo dito sa likod, RG tayo dito sa likod para makita natin
Walk
kung
in,
sino yung
walk in,
mga babanatan natin.
walk in. Stop
Ayun,
that.
ayun na, nawawipe na sila, nawawipe sila.
Stop that cap. Savage.
Red in here. All
Play
red in
lang, play
here.
lang,
Come on,
play.
avoid that ledge. Don't
Sige lang,
pull you and put shit.
Guys, play on in the far side of the objective.
Yung Mir, up yung Mir,
Good
Walang
job,
hindi
good job,
yung ano.
guys. Good job.
Mira el corazón.
Drop. Ayun,
Tanks,
mga
pop
ulit tayo.
Devo, pop
Remedy
Devo.
up, remedy up, remedy up,
Pop
ah.
Devo. I need you
Pop
popping
remedy.
Devo all the time.
Guardian in 1
Guys
minute.
popping Devo all
Artifact,
May guardian
artifact.
ako, may guardian ako.
Okay, tol, pop mo.
Guardian
Mark
ako,
natin to.
nag-guardian
Good
ako.
job,
Nag-guardian ako,
Savage.
nag-guardian.
Amazing job. Tanks. There we go. The less time that they're in their objective, the better. The less
May
time.
paddle
Now,
dyan,
now,
may
we wipe this.
Savage.
On me.
Great job.
On me, dito sa akin, dito natin DPS.
Sniper,
Objective,
DPS,
guys.
sniper.
Nice pull. Let's go, number 4.
They're gonna try to cap. They're trying to cap.
May paddle dyan, may paddle.
We're
Half
occupied right
alpha.
Lapalpa. Number 8.
We got
Play India.
Cordy up.
7, Enigma.
My head.
He's doom. Use his temporally. Dead.
need my part.
Again, Savage.
Saturo, ito,
Pop
Saturo.
Number
Devos, Tanks. Keep those Devos active.
Cordy up.
Shit, hindi ako makaskill.
Keep going, Savage.
Number 8, free casting.
Yung torso, ha?
At the current moment, you guys are doing very,
Si ano,
very well.
JP pabalik na.
Very
Pasalubong
well.
ka, JP.
Very well. Let's fight them coming in. Weak. Fight them coming in
Ang dami
weak.
nilang DPS dito sa
Savage, I need more
likod.
numbers in here. 22, 23. More, 23. I wanna
Nahila
make
ako,
sure we
ah.
have
Ayun na,
at
may mga
least
DPS
30
nila sa
people.
likod,
We have to have more bodies
Oh.
than them in the objective.
Wipe muna natin to, di na tayo maglaro.
Bago, niraratot
for
ako.
them to do whatever they want.
Saan ka?
I want them
Dito
out
dito
of
na.
the objective.
Sige.
Saturo on me.
Do not pull them into the
Wala ko.
objective, Savage. Tanks.
Okay, Cordy up.
We need out of the objective.
Sila loop alpha
Out
nandiyan,
of the
ha?
objective.
Sabi ni Sniper.
Out of the objective. Guys,
Kumuha ka dyan ng
please,
towel mo, kakaltukan
marking
kita eh.
healers.
Pasok ka
I
ng
need
pasok
you guys
ka.
marking healers. I
DJ,
need you
ano?
guys marking healers.
Cordy up,
This is
Cordy
a very, very good game, guys. We only got 4 minutes left. 4.5 minutes left.
Dito tayo sa choke na lumaro.
Down, guys.
On me.
Down. Make sure we're
Lock,
dominating
lock.
with our numbers.
Yeah,
We're
tol.
dominating with our
Dito,
numbers.
dito. Ito,
Very
ito,
good.
ito.
This is a very close game. This is a very
Ganda ng
close
push.
game.
Sayang.
Very good. We're punching up, guys.
Napalo up ni,
Understand
ano,
that.
napalo up ni...
We are punching
Boss
up.
yun?
Good job.
Hindi ko sa'yo.
Cleaning.
The fuck
Good
is
job.
easy,
Good job
JP?
cleaning the objective.
Oh my
Clean
God.
up, clean up.
Inamito na tayo ng ano.
Bunch of yellow at those bottom stairs. They're just clumping up. They're just clumped up.
Dito
Back-
na nga.
Ayun, ayun.
Go. Do not
Meron sa
push
likod, ha?
past
Meron sa
the
likod,
stairs.
pre. Sa likod,
Do
ha?
not push past the stairs, guys. Do not push past the stairs. Let them
Huwag masyado
push
sa
past
ano.
the stairs. They
High
want
ground tayo,
to be
high ground
in the
tayo.
stairs,
Pabayaan
not
natin
you. They
sila.
want to be in the
Paulanan
stairs,
nyo
not
lang.
you. Good job. Keep them
May
Ikaw,
paddle
tol,
kayo, may
ikaw,
paddle
tol.
kayo, madam.
walking
May
in.
paddle
Keep the
kayo,
lanes
madam.
walking in, guys. Good job.
Healing.
Good
Stun
job,
ako.
good job.
Stun ako.
Oh, yung Lop Alpha uses melee evasion.
Tanks, again, reminder, pop those devos. Keep your guys alive. Devos, take damage from
Saan ako?
take that damage. Take that extra damage. That might be the
Ito.
difference between them being able to kill
Ano, grabe po ako sa
or
akin.
not.
Nice.
Take it.
Wala, hindi sila nakapag ano.
One of them is gonna have to try to
Pabalik
cap
ako.
that shit off.
Nag-i-stack sila.
That's fine.
3
that's
minutes
fine.
pa yan ha, 3 minutes pa
That's
yan ha.
fine.
Pasok, dito
Great
ka sa
job. They're
stone.
pushing in.
Hindi mo
They're
lumipat.
pushing in. They're pushing in. They're pushing in.
Go
They're
to
going
the
for
stone.
a
Go to the
push.
stone.
They're going
Ayun
for
na,
a push.
nagpupush na
They're
sila.
going for a push on this corner right here.
Off that.
Baka
ledge.
ayaw.
Zombie na sila, nagsa-zombie na sila.
They are gonna get
Zombie
Okay,
na
ready.
may
sila.
ano ka, may paddle dyan, madam. May paddle dyan.
Just
Sige,
short.
sige.
So
Sige,
they're-
sige,
they're
go.
Do not clump up. Do not clump up. Range.
Nakataka ako,
Make sure
nakataka
you
ako,
have
nakataka
fire
Dito
range
lahat
rolling
ng
in this
DPS
thing.
nila.
All these people like
Sa likod, sa likod, oh.
Guys, keep popping
May
those
paddle,
heals,
may paddle
keep
sa'yo
popping
kay madam.
those
May paddle
healers.
kay madam.
Sakit toilet na, inubos yung DPS. Sa likod, dali. Dito tayo.
Go.
Go, on me.
Ayun na.
Nalak ako.
Shit, guys.
Sila sa ito, nasan? Pabantay ah.
Do not push far from the objective. Guys, come back to the
Mag-guardian ako tol.
Come back to the zone. Come back to the
5
zone.
minutes pa sa akin.
Come back to the zone.
Yeah, kordi up.
Ubus yun.
Bumak muna kayo, bumak muna kayo. Tinatawag din.
Back.
Do not clump up. Do not clump up.
Tangina, hindi naman nila nakapi. Bakit pinapabak niya?
There we go. Pot those devils.
Si
pot
ano,
those
hawak pa rin,
devils.
ha?
Aray.
Johnny, yan, nasa likod ah.
See devils left and right. I wanna see devils left and right.
Dominate to, tangina nyo.
Good pool.
Eh, si Arago, baka naka-stream yan.
May pa-pull yung Sephiroth.
Exactly how we want
Teka,
this fight.
teka.
We do not
Hold
want
on.
Nice pull, nice
we do
pull.
not want overtimes here. Grab these guys and start killing them. Start smoking.
After this, we're gonna do back-to-back fights. So don't worry, there's more
Dito.
PvP.
There's more PvP right after, guys. There's more
May
PvP right
nagkakap,
after.
may
Saturo.
nagkakap.
Let's put our name in the map.
On me, nilalak ako. Tol.
Sige,
Hawak pa.
hawak kita.
Nice pull. Tangina mo, lopal pa, gago.
Good shit, Savage.
Keep.
Wala namang
1 minute.
May overtime ba to? Wala.
Wala overtime to.
Guys,
Our games to eh.
Dito na ako.
Numbers game.
Sige.
Yo, sa itala, pailagad ah.
Savage. Walk into the objective.
Saan ako?
They're walking in through the same step as earlier. Tanks, keep pushing.
May damage ka, pre. May damage ka.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Nilalak ako.
Walk in.
Nilalak na si Osoy, ha? Nilalak na si Osoy, ha?
Sige tol, paano si Usoy ah? Number 1 si Usoy yata eh.
Spread out.
Damn you.
Hindi man nila kilala eh. Ngayon lang nila nakilala
Yeah,
eh.
we need people coming in right now.
Sige, kordi up. Ngayon lang nila nakilala.
Evolutions, mid, pa-pull.
Happy T-targeting you too, bro.
Wala kang buhay, pre.
Bago darating ako.
Nakahila ko. Pero ako mamamatay.
Right now. Last minute push, guys.
Yo,
Every single person in Savage. At ako Hispano, I need you
Kordi up.
guys here.
May
Everybody.
paddle sa gitna, may paddle sa
gitna.
Objective. Yes. There we go. We need the bodies in here.
Uy, putang ina.
We need
Nice
bodies.
pull.
Good job. Spread in and occupy space. Start cleaning up these free casters.
Yung mirror. Wala na.
Putang
Wala
ina.
na. Iba na ka sa kanila. Nakatayo na
These
lang.
healers.
Hindi na tumitira.
Make sure we're killing these healers, guys.
Meron pa ba isang laban to? Babawi ba ito mga to?
Ooh. Push
Babanse?
back into that objective, man.
Sa pa nila
Guys,
mabugbog.
Come on,
Good job, guys.
Patay ako.
back on objective.
From earlier.
That's fine. We're about to run it up again.
And they have to use cheat.
Guys,
To DC.
keep your parties. Please don't leave. I need every single person here. Look, we didn't even have Yunjay. That's huge.
Mm.
He was right here.
No, he DC'd.
He was in there killing everything, bro.
If you got DC'd.
UJ's in my group killing everything.
He said they need to fix this. I can't rejoin after DC.
Wait, really? You and what? You right here.
Do not get offline, guys.
Yes, whoever did not participate in this one will participate in this one. So-
Tol, Usoy, ingat ka dyan. Malamang markado ka na tsaka si JP.
Masyado na kayo dyan.
Ganun ulit, lopal pa. Huwag niyong bibigyan ng position si lopal pa.
Yes, we won.
Your old